Hello everyone.
Asazi noma siyobuya yini ngoba kudume ibhamu izwile thina labala sidumile ke lona dubu isibhamu uqale wafika eduze kwemoto wavula wangibuka nami ngambuka ngazi ukuthi kwenze njani wavala umnyango wathatha into ephezulu 3 wasisikhomba phezulu ngathokoza ngathi usithule bayibona mina ngazi ngishintshe ngaba yinamba angazi yabona kodwa ke sithi ke thina angeke kungabi nakuthula emphakathini.
Political killings are a really huge setback to the African National Congress regime. Politicians are living in fear because they know they can be murdered at any time. Maybe the deputy chairperson of ANC was murdered because in December they will be electing new president of the ANC. We don't know. But it's really painful, hey? Before the deputy chairperson was gunned down, he said, "We are going there, but we don't know if we will come back alive because there are always gunshots fired. You heard for yourselves." The person who was firing shots came near the car I was in and looked at me. I looked back at the person because I did not know what was happening. The person closed the door and took 3 steps and then pointed the gun upwards and fired shots in the air. I was grateful and I said to myself, maybe when the person looked at me, I changed and became something else. And that is why the person did not shoot me. I don't know, but we are saying is that we cannot go on and there is no peace in our communities. The deputy ANC chairperson in Mpumalanga, Muzinyati, was shot in execution style at a filling station in Mkondo on Friday evening. The provincial police spokesperson, Colonel Donald Ndlule, said that according to the report, a Mercedes Benz occupied by 2 people with registration number plates XTN 559GP was seen moving from one fuel pump to another without refilling. Meanwhile, Manyati reportedly bought something from the kiosk. It is said that one male occupant came out of the said vehicle armed with a firearm and allegedly shot the victim multiple times at close range. The suspects then fled the scene using the said vehicle. Police at Piet Retief as well as the paramedics were notified about the incident. Manyati was unfortunately certified dead at the scene. A murder case is being investigated. The Mercedes Benz was later found abandoned next to a dam, and preliminary investigation indicates that the number plates on the vehicle seems not to be authentic, and it was discovered that the said car was reported stolen in April this year, 2022, at Brakpan in Gauteng province. This is really sad, man. May his soul rest in peace. Sending condolences and prayers to his family and friends. What's your take on this, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.